Welcome to everyone. Today we are going to continue fourth chapter from Geography, Agriculture. In the previous class, what we discussed? We discussed the importance of agriculture, the types of farming and different cropping pattern in India. Today we are going to discuss what are the various crops cultivated in this cropping season. So these are divided into three types of crops. First one, major food crops, then beverage crops, non-food crops. So these are divided into food crops, beverage crops and non-food crops. So let us first discuss what are the major food crops cultivated in India. So first one, rice, wheat, maize, pulses, sugarcane, oilseed and millets. So these are the important food crops cultivated in India. Now let us discuss what are the climatic conditions required for the growth of these food crops. So first one, rice. Rice, it is the staple diet of the Indians, and India is the second largest producer of rice after China. And what are the climatic conditions required for the growth of rice? So the temperature is high above 25 degrees with high humidity. So temperature required, so 25 degrees Celsius. High above 25 degrees Celsius with high humidity also required. And whatever the rainfall, annual rainfall above 100 centimeter. The cultivation of rice required the rainfall above 100 centimeter. So it is in the kharif crop. Rice is a kharif crop. It is the main staple diet of the Indians. India is the second largest producer of rice after China, and the temperature above 25 degree with high humidity and annual rainfall above 100 centimeter. And so which are the areas, important areas of rice cultivation in India? And the northern plains. In northern plains, coastal region, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. These are the major rice producing states in India. Okay, the second one is wheat. We know that wheat is a rabi crop. So it is cultivated in the winter season. Wheat is a rabi crop and it is the second most important cereal crop, food crop in India. It is the second most important cereal crop. And it required cool climate, cool growing season and bright sunshine. So wheat required cool growing season and bright sunshine, and the annual rainfall 50 centimeter to 75 centimeter. It required the rainfall 50 to 75 centimeter. So which are the major areas of rice cultivation? Punjab, UP, Haryana, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. These are the important states. Punjab, UP, Bihar, Rajasthan, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh. So wheat is a rabi crop. It is cultivated in the areas of Punjab, UP, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and Rajasthan. It required 50 centimeter to 75 centimeter rainfall and cool growing season and bright sunshine. Okay, the third one is maize. Maize is a kharif crop. Maize is a kharif crop and it is used for food and fodder. Maize is used as the food crop as well as the fodder crop, and it grows well in the old alluvial soil. So we know studied that Khadar and Bangar, and it is grown well in the old alluvial soil. And the temperature required for the rice cultivation is 21 degrees Celsius to 21 to 27, and rainfall 60 centimeter to 110 centimeter. rainfall 60 to 100 centimeter. Major maize growing areas are Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Bihar. Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Bihar. And these are the major maize growing areas in India. And the fourth one is pulses. Pulses, the fourth one. It is some of the pulses are kharif crop and some others are kharif crop. And it requires 20 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius temperature. And rainfall about 100 centimeter or irrigation facilities are required for the cultivation. About 100 centimeter or irrigation facilities. Major areas are Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Rajasthan. India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. Not only the producer, we are consumer of these pulses, and there are these are the major source of proteins in the vegetable diet. So from the pulses we get enough proteins. So this is also known as leguminous crop. Leguminous crop. It means that these crops are belong to the peas family. Peas. And so it is known as leguminous crop. So pulses, it is a kharif as well as some of them are kharif and others are the rabi crop. Next one is sugar cane, and it is grown in the tropical as well as the subtropical areas. Tropical as well as subtropical, and it is 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. And hot and humid climate is required. Temperature is 21 to 27 and hot and humid climate required is 2. And the rainfall is between 75 centimeter and 100 centimeter. So sugarcane required rainfall 75 to 100 centimeter. UP, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Punjab, Karnataka, Haryana are the important sugarcane growing states, and India is the second largest producer of sugarcane after Brazil, and we needs a manual labor from sowing to harvesting. So for this crop need manual labor other than the machine. It needs manual labor from sowing season to harvesting season. Usually it is harvested once in an year. So that is about the sugar cane. And next one is the oil seeds. Oil seeds are, some of them are kharif, others are rabi, and some of them are both rabi and kharif. Kharif groundnut and sesame are the kharif crop, and linseed and mustard are the rabi crop. It requires 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius temperature, and rainfall 50 centimeter to 70 centimeter, and it is grow. The major areas are Tamil Nadu, then Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka. These are the major oilseed growing states, and most of these are edible and used as cooking medium, used for cooking. Most of these are edible and used for the cooking, and some of these are used in raw materials in the production of soap, cosmetics and ointments. These oil seeds are edible and useful for cooking, and some of them are used in raw materials in the production of soap, cosmetic and ointments. And besides this, one more food crop, that is millet. It includes jowar, ragi and bajra. So these are highly nutritious, and ragi contains calcium and iron, and jowar is the third most important food crop in India. Bajra is used as food and fodder crop. So these are the important food crops in India, and which is known as leguminous crop, pulses, and it means it belongs to PEAT, family. So next is we are going to discuss beverage crops. It gives some intoxicant and beverage crops. The major beverage crops are tea, coffee, and the climatic condition required for the growth of tea. It is a tropical as well as a subtropical plantation crop. Tea is a plantation crop. It grown in the tropical as well as the subtropical areas, and warm and moist free climate required its growth. Warm and moist free climate. It is grown in the deep and fertile, well drained soil and rich in humus and organic matter. And it is the major areas are Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and hills of Darjeeling. The next important beverage crop is coffee. So it is 23 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. It requires the temperature. It is a subtropical crop and fertile and volcanic red earth and or deep sandy loamy soil required for the growth of coffee. And Indian coffee is a world famous, and the Nilgiri hills in Karnataka and Kerala and Tamil Nadu are the major coffee growing areas in India. So these are the two important beverage crops. Okay, next we are going to discuss non-food crops. So we are not using other, majority are, most of them are used as raw materials in the industry, non-food crops other than the food. And first one is rubber, second cotton, third jute. And then first one rubber. It is an equatorial crop and can be grown in tropical and subtropical areas. Rubber is an equatorial crop, can be grown in the tropical and subtropical areas. So require more than 200 centimeter rainfall and temperature above 25 degrees Celsius. And it is an important raw material. We know that it has a number of uses. 62% is used for the auto tires and tubes, and 6.6 used for their footwears, and 9.2% for cycle tire. So these are important uses of rubber. And next is the cotton. Cotton, it is a kharif crop. It is grow well in the black soil. It required high temperature and light rainfall, and it required 210 frost-free days of bright sunshine. Cotton required the bright sunshine, and it is raw material as used as the textile industry. Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka are the major cotton growing areas in India. Next one is the jute. Jute is also known as golden fiber, and it grows well in fertile, well-drained floodplains and humid climate with temperature between 24 and 38 degrees. And it required the humid climate with temperature is 24 to 38 degrees Celsius. The major areas are Bihar, Assam, Meghalaya, Odisha, West Bengal, and it is used in making gunny bags and mats, rocks, carpets. So these are the important non-food crops. So the crops are divided into food crops, beverage crops, and non-food crops. So these are the important food crops, beverage crops, and non-food crops grown in India in various cropping pattern. Okay children, I hope all of you understood this topic very well, and thank you.